Welcome to the Identifix Direct-Hit Mobile Application Overview, Access and Login video. The Direct-Hit Mobile application is your gateway to quick and convenient access to vehicle diagnostic and repair information on your mobile devices. Whether you are in the bay or the field, this application ensures quick and convenient access to comprehensive content including the Identifix Hotline Archive, confirmed fixed content, motor data, NHTSA and safety recalls, and YouTube videos. This mobility and accessibility empower you to confidently diagnose and resolve vehicle issues anytime, anywhere, ultimately saving time and enhancing efficiency in the repair process. In this video, we will explore the key features of the Direct-Hit Mobile application and learn how to access and log into the app. The Direct-Hit Mobile app enhances user experience with a range of features, including its intuitive user-friendly interface specifically designed for mobility use cases, and its seamless curation of automotive diagnostic and repair resources. Some highlighted features include AI-powered search including multiple DTC to quickly hone in on the data you need, easy access to Identifix Hotline archives containing valuable diagnostic insights from Identifix master technicians and confirmed fixes from other pros, extensive repair info like wiring diagrams, component locations, specs, TSBs and DTCs from motor, including late models, real-time up-to-date parts and labor info. Quick Kits provide a single access point to a consolidated list of most frequently used service and maintenance content, such as engine oil type, capacity, and torque specs. Access to recall information from U.S. Department of Transportation's NHTSA. Multiple ways to select vehicles, scan or enter a VIN, or select year, make, model, and engine. Vehicle history lists for convenient recall what you have searched before. Access to relevant YouTube videos and much more. We will cover each of these features in this video series. Let's start with how to access and download the Direct-Hit Mobile application. To begin, download and install the Direct-Hit Mobile app either from the Apple App Store or Google Play. After installation, open the app and tap on Sign In on the welcome screen. Enter your Direct-Hit credentials and tap Sign In, once again, to log into the app. The vehicle screen, which serves as a landing page for the Direct-Hit Mobile app, appears, indicating the successful login. That completes our Direct-Hit Mobile application overview, access, and login video. In the next video, we will learn how to search for and add vehicles to the Direct-Hit Mobile application. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, go to identifix.com.